Good morning, Jeff Hale here with Kaizink. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to start up our CNC machine. So we have the Sabre IS510 CNC router table, 4 tools on it. It has a 10 horsepower spindle, as well as the OptiScat camera system, a tangential oscillating knife, and then a tangential fixed attachment that we currently have a crease wheel on. So the very first thing we're going to want to do is make sure that our air is turned on and hooked up, which it is. And then number 2, we're going to want to make sure that our software is turned on. This is WinCNC. This is Sabre's CAD software. The very next thing we're going to do is hit the home button. What the home button is going to do is it's going to put it through all of its tasks of testing out the Z, then the Y, then the X, and then the attachments. Once the machine is homed, the very next thing we're going to do is hit the warm-up button, and you'll see the spindle is going to go to the center of the table, and it's going to start rotating at 10,000 RPM, and it's just going to warm it up for 10 minutes. And that's how we start up the CNC router. Thank you.